child gets one single answer wrong goes to choking. What are you looking at?
You.
You. Spell. Let me see. Spell newt.
Newt. N-E-W-T. Newt.
What?
Miss Honey studies very well.
Nonsense. You. Stand up, turn around and spell the one thing that you all are. Revolting.
Revolting. R-E-V-O-L-T-I-N-G. Revolting.
You're cheating.
Of course she's not cheating. I taught them, that is all. With kindness and patience and respect.
How dare you bring those words into my classroom, madam? You know nothing of teaching, and I shall prove it. You spell Entelecomaniosepticosis.
That's not a word, you just made it up.
Spell or go to choking! And I should warn you, it has silent letters.
A-M-C-H-E-L-L-A.
Oh dear.
K?
Oh, I'm so sorry, it was a silent Z. You're going to choking.
Cat. C-A-F. Cat. I got it wrong. You're gonna have to put me in choking too.
What?
Dog. D-Y-P. Me too.
Table. X-A-B-F-Y and me.
What are you doing? What's going on? Stop this!
You can't put us all in choking. Banana. G-T-A-A-B-L. Bullet. P-Y-T-L-F-T-R-B-S-W.
You have to put me in choky. You can't put us all in choky. Go now, maggots! Did you think I hadn't thought of that? I've got chokies for each and every one of you.
Look! There's writing! On the chalkboard!
This is
This is Magnus.
It can't be.